Look at my perfect princess making her man's breakfast. Look at her. Look at her all cute and stuff. A little Disney shirt. No makeup, little hair in a bun. She's so cute, isn't she? The cutest little baby. Look at that face.
Stop.
Look at that smile.
Stop.
Look, she's blushing.
I knew to move, but I couldn't because of you. I was just staring at.
Anyways, we're vlogging today. I don't know why. There's literally nothing interesting going on. Well, is there anything interesting going on?
No.
Exactly. So we're just gonna go throughout our day and take you on the journey, I guess.
That's a great way to preface the vlog. We're gonna vlog, but there's nothing interesting, so don't
There's
stick
nothing
around.
interesting. So just don't watch.
So just like a few vlogs back, I made some breakfast tacos for Brendan and I. And they are really yummy. I really enjoy them. It's just a little bit of cheese, egg, and bacon on like a flour tortilla. And then Brendan always has like some little Kodiak waffles with his, so he gets some extra carbs in. We just got back from the chiropractor actually. And I don't think we've talked a lot about chiropractic on here, but chiropractic is like a very important part of like our life and our health to us. And we found out maybe I vlogged it. No, I don't think I vlogged it, but we found out a little while back that Brendan is pretty much at 100% correction, which means he gets to go on the wellness wall at our chiropractor. And he gets to only have to go 1 time a week now. We used to go 2 times a week, and we learned today that even though I've seen significant correction, they want to bump me up to 3 times a week. And I'm excited because they're gonna put me in this like really fancy brace that's like personalized for my body.
I don't know how you're gonna sleep with that.
To keep me in a corrected position.
It's all the way in Roswell. We live in Roswell now.
Yeah, when we move to Sandy Springs, it's gonna be a little bit of a long haul. And then the only thing that stinks is really the drive and like the time that it's gonna take. But I'm excited because I feel like going the extra time a week and getting the brace, hopefully I'll get to see some like significant improvements in my spine and everything. So I am excited about that. But I got a little moose caboose right here.
Yeah.
He's being very cuddly this morning.
Yeah.
He's the cuddliest of our 2 kitties, but this morning he's been like purring so loud and like begging for cuddles, like falling on the floor asking for belly rubs. And it's just so sweet. Like, look at him right now.
Pretty sure he's the sweetest kitty ever, to be honest.
Yeah, probably.
I'm sorry, guys, but I don't think any of your cats are as cuddly as Max's.
Yeah, like literally, all he ever wants to do is cuddle. So, he's a sweet boy.
Sweet boy.
And he probably wants some of our food too, because he loves eggs. So, oftentimes at breakfast, he'll conveniently come cuddle us at breakfast. But I think we both know it's really to get some eggs off of our plates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not sneaky.
Anyways, so yeah, that's what's happening right now. Later on today, I'm going to do some makeup, go get a couple pictures for my little Disney fashion Instagram, and then...
Okay, I'm going to be taking those.
Yeah. And then do some other stuff. I don't know yet. I'm sure it'll be an interesting vlog if you just keep watching. Okay, bye.
Mom, I'm camera shy. I'm camera shy, Mom. Look at his foot over my arm. Moose caboose.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Did my hair in some little like half up, half down space buns and just kind of like very lightly curled the rest. And I got some hoop earrings in, did my makeup, put some lashes on. And I'm wearing this little vintage Mickey Mouse sweatshirt that I got the other day when I was with Zoe at a thrift store. And we're gonna go take a couple shots for Disney Style Blog. If you're into Disney fashion, go follow me on Instagram. So I'm worried this vlog is going to be really boring because we haven't done anything, but I just went out and took a couple pictures like I think I showed you guys. Came back, got some work done, hopped on a call with a coworker to discuss a couple things and for him to teach me a few things, which was really cool. I always enjoy learning more about like marketing and everything, so that was fun. But I figured to spice up this vlog a little bit, I'd show you guys a couple of things that I purchased at the thrift store. I did a little IGTV on my Disney Instagram about what I bought, but I figured I'd show you guys as well in case you don't follow me over there, which is fine, but you probably should. Let's see if I can perk you right there. There we go. So obviously I got this red Mickey Mouse sweater that I showed you guys. It's so comfy and so oversized. I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm going to be wearing it all fall and winter. Then I also got this super cute 90s Mickey Mouse nightgown. It has him like all distressed waking up in the morning, and then at the bottom it says mornings aren't funny, and I just thought this was really cute and I thought it'd be fun to wear at the resorts when I'm going to bed and chilling around. So yes, picked that up. And then these two items aren't vintage, but I still got them at the same thrift store. So I got this really cool Cheshire Cat like just like graphic t-shirt, and I think I'm gonna crop it like right there and make it like a cute gym shirt, but also something that I could style for like streetwear. And then the last thing I got was this little baseball tee. It's like a cropped baseball tee, and then it has Mickey and Minnie smooching on it, and I thought that was just really cute. So picked all of those up. Didn't cost me much, but I'm happy about what I found. Then now I just ate like a little bit of a snack, but not like a full meal, so I think I'm gonna make a little bit more food, pop some clothes in the laundry, and honestly get ready to go to work. This is probably the most boring vlog ever, but this is my life. I really am this boring. Sorry the lighting is so bad. I just got home from work and I'm making a little bit of hot chocolate for myself because right now I am just so ready for it to be fall/winter that I'm just kind of forcing it upon the universe. But here's my key to making the perfect hot chocolate. I personally make mine with almond milk. Then I add just a couple of tablespoons of the Hershey's chocolate caramel coffee creamer. Love when my voice cracks when I'm trying to film. And then I add 2 packets. This hot cocoa is not for the faint of heart. Just pointing that out right now. But then I add 2 packs of the Land O'Lakes Cocoa Classics Chocolate Supreme Hot Cocoa Mix. This stuff is the frickin' titties. If you like hot chocolate, this stuff is the bomb. So that's the stuff you need to make bomb hot chocolate. And now I'm mixing it all up in a pan. As you can see, I've spilled some and I've just been kind of like whisking it together, and it's pretty hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my glass. Let's see if I can do that without spilling any. Oh yeah. I'm gonna share a little bit of popcorn with Brendan tonight because I think we're gonna watch a movie or maybe just sit down and watch some YouTube. Not really sure. He should be home soon. And then it'll be time to cuddle up and enjoy this popcorn. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry, this lighting is so bad. I'll go over here. I'm gonna end the vlog here. If y'all liked it, please give a like and also comment down below how you're forcing fall/autumn upon the universe. I would love to know. I'll join in. We can bring it here together. Anyways, also make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe because I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming soon. And yeah, I think that's it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.